In March of 2020, Emperor here at SeaWorld San Diego tested for its first time, and SeaWorld posted it. Things were looking up. It looked like the ride was coming along very nicely, and just after that, things took a turn for the worse, and COVID-19, obviously we all know what that is. The coronavirus came up out of nowhere and shut everything down. Construction was halted. SeaWorld closed. And it, not just the coaster, I mean, like, literally everything was now either postponed or canceled, and it was just a mess. And so approximately a year later, we are still in the middle of this pandemic with no signs of it ending anytime soon still. But approximately a year later, here at SeaWorld San Diego, I just saw Emperor test run for my first time in person, and this is one of the first test runs in months since that time in March of 2020, and I've been hearing rumblings like over the past week and a half that the ride was actually running again, and I was just like, whoa, that's crazy. I can't believe it. I mean, SeaWorld is so random, right? So decided to drive down to the park, just a quick 30-minute drive from my house, and I come here, wait about an hour in the parking lot, and yes, Emperor just tested. I only got one test run in. It's been about 30 to 40 minutes since that one test run, so I'm heading out. I mean, I don't want to stay here for too long. Sun's starting to set now, but I'm super happy with that one test run. I'll show it on screen here in a second for you guys to see. It's very exciting stuff. It looks like construction has progressed further on all of SeaWorld's 2020 projects. But yeah, it's definitely good to see. Really excited to get on Emperor. It's a very encouraging sign to see it test. Hopefully, sooner rather than later, we can finally ride Emperor and head back on the coasters here at SeaWorld, as well as the entire state of California. So with that all said, shut up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I'm sorry, just one test run. I would have liked to get more, but I'm happier with one opposed to nothing, which I was actually thinking would be the case for a while, since again, I was waiting in the parking lot for so long. I got a test run, and I'm really happy. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments how excited you are for Emperor. I'm pretty stoked for it. I think it's going to be a great ride for this park. And yeah, with that all said and done, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.